This is a genius method that people in northern China have relied on for centuries, because once he places a bowl with a bone over a large pot of water, it's left to freeze overnight until it becomes a huge block of ice, as it's then taken off, revealing a thin layer beneath, which is carefully cut and shaped into a huge hole so he can drain all of the extra water, leaving the inside hollow. Because after pouring boiling water over the pot, the ice easily slips out, which is carefully scraped with a blade until it's completely smooth. And once bags of food are added inside, the block of ice not only acts as an easy way to store it, but it also protects the food from animals while keeping it frozen for months.